Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh Google Sheets every 1 minute. If you have a spreadsheet that pulls in changing data, setting it to refresh automatically can be really useful. This helps keep your sheet updated without needing to manually reload formulas again and again. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on to begin. Open your document in Google Sheets. Make sure you are in the specific spreadsheet where you want the auto-refresh behavior to happen, because this setting is applied inside that sheet's settings. Once the file is open and fully loaded, look toward the top left corner of the screen. Next, click File. This will open the main file menu where you'll see a list of options related to your spreadsheet. From that menu, select Settings. In some versions of Google Sheets, this may appear as Spreadsheet Settings, so if you see that instead, click it. Both options take you to the same place. When the Settings window appears, go to the Calculation tab. This is the section that controls how and when certain formulas in your spreadsheet recalculate. If your sheet uses functions that depend on updates over time, this is the area you need to adjust. Now, find the Recalculation drop-down menu. By default, this is often set to On Change, which means the sheet only refreshes when something in the spreadsheet is edited or changed. That works fine for many situations, but if you want your data to update automatically on a regular schedule, you'll need to change that setting. Click the drop-down and switch it from On Change to On Change and every minute. This tells Google Sheets to recalculate supported formulas not only when edits happen, but also once every minute automatically. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you are monitoring live or frequently changing information. After that, click the Save Settings button to apply the change. Once saved, your spreadsheet will use the new recalculation setting going forward. And that's it. Your Google Sheet is now set to auto-refresh every 1 minute. Keep in mind that this affects recalculation behavior, so it's most helpful for sheets using formulas that rely on refreshing data over time. Thanks for watching.